To purchase put options on Robinhood, which allows you to potentially profit from a decline in a stock's price, you must first enable option trading in your account. This can be done by opening the Robinhood app, clicking on the profile icon, and then navigating to the account's settings. From there, click on the three-line menu, select Investing, and scroll down to find the Option Trading section, where you can tap to enable it. You will then be prompted to enter your investor profile details and agree to the terms and conditions, after which Robinhood will review and approve your request. Once option trading is enabled, you can select the desired stock by opening the app, clicking on the search icon, and searching for the stock you want to buy. From the search results, select the stock and click on the Trade option, which will take you to the option trading screen. Here, you must choose an expiration date based on your trading strategy, and then select the Buy option and Put. Next, you will need to pick a strike price from the available options, which is the price at which you have the right to sell the stock. After selecting the strike price, a summary will appear, and you can proceed to buy by entering the number of contracts you want to purchase, keeping in mind that each contract typically represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. You also have the option to add a limit order by clicking on the default order and viewing the maximum potential profit and loss. Once you have reviewed the details and found them to be correct, you can submit your purchase by swiping up. This is the step-by-step process for buying put options on Robinhood, which can be a helpful tool for potentially profiting from a decline in a stock's price.